I did a video basically reviewing the Skinceutical CE Ferulic serum, which is their darling. It is their #1 best-selling serum. They have a patented formula on how to preserve and keep their vitamin C stable. Hi, my name is Christy, and I have been professionally treating clients with hyperpigmentation, acne, and other skin conditions for over 12 years. And so I have seen my fair share of gadgets, gimmicks, and goop. So normally what I do is I go ahead and look over the initial product, and then I do, after using it, 45 days later, 30 days later, I do a follow-up video on what happened to whatever product it is. So in this case, we're doing the Skinceutical CE Ferulic serum, which is one of their best all-time selling serums. So this one, actually, lots of people love this one. It promises results for fine lines and wrinkles, hyperpigmentation. So whenever I see a product that promises a lot of different things, I'm a little bit skeptical. So this video is to follow up with you the results of what this $166 a bottle serum has done. So I use the Skinceutical CE Ferulic acid serum consistently for 90 days. The first 30 days I used it both AM and PM. And then in the second 30 days, I used it in the morning only. Then in the last 30 days, I used it only in the evening only. After 90 days of using it consistently, I'm going to have to say that even though the Skinceutical CE Ferulic acid serum's reputation precedes itself, I personally did not see a significant improvement on my texture, my tone, improvement in the hyperpigmentation. I saw actually a much better improvement on my texture and my tone with the hydropeptide Luma Pro C, which I'll show you in the video right here, the link right here, or it'll be in the description below. You can see the difference in my overall tone and my texture. So it's $166. Some of you may have found vast improvement in your skin with the Skinceutical CE Ferulic. I personally did not see that much of an improvement given the price tag of the serum. Now, full disclosure, I did not use any other Skinceutical products when I was using the Skinceutical CE Ferulic acid, so it could have been that where it's just more complementary to each other. I was using the same exact products. I was using cleanser, exfoliator, toner, sunscreen, lotion that I had been using with the Luma Pro C, so I decided to keep the protocol exactly the same and just switch out the vitamin C serum. So if you are liking these honest product reviews, this is not sponsored by Skinceutical. So if you like these product reviews, going over skincare ingredients, then go ahead and click the link below for giving us a thumbs up, as well as hitting that subscription. And don't forget to hit that notification bell to get notified when our new videos come up. Remember, makeup is an art, skincare is a science.